This is the graph construction of modern salwar. So this will be made in this way. This is the basic construction of salwar. That is, it is cut in three pieces. Number one is the upper part, or we can say it is the yoke. This is the side panel, and this is the triangular piece for adding flares. I have drawn the same construction on this brown paper, and now I will cut the three pieces for making the modern salwar. This is the side piece. This is the side piece which we are going to cut in the fabric with on fold. This is the side piece. You can see. Now the next part, that is the upper part. This is the upper piece. Now the third piece, that is the triangular piece. In cloth we have to cut in 4 pieces. This triangular piece should be cut in 4 pieces, 2 for one leg and 2 for another leg. So this is cut like this. If you want to add more flare, we can extend this portion. If you have enough cloth, and if you want to add more cloth or more flare in your salwar, then we can extend this portion. Okay, we can extend this portion 2 inches, 3 inches, according to your taste. You can increase the width. So this is the third piece of salwar. This is the third piece. Let's see. These are the 3 pieces in salwar, and now we will use these pieces of brown paper for making the salwar in, or making it or drawing it in a cloth. We will use the cloth. By using this brown paper, we will use the cloth now. First we will cut the side piece. We have to take 4 layer fold fabric. This much. So the side piece should have this much of, we are placing it like this. I have taken extra on this side to remove this silvage. We are not including, or we are not using the silvage when we are cutting the clothes. I have taken this extra fabric here for making the or finishing the lower edge. For finishing the lower edge, I have taken this extra cloth here for the seam. Okay, now we will cut this side piece this way. This is the side piece. Now cut this one. We will have two pieces, two for the two legs. Okay, this is the two pieces of side piece. Now we'll cut the triangular piece. The length is same, so we can use the same cloth, how it is placed. And we have to cut 4 pieces of this fabric. I have taken extra cloth this side also, as we will be needing it for seam. I am taking this much extra for the lower finishing. See. If you want to add more flare, then we can increase this portion. Now I need 4 pieces of this fabric. So I'll place another 2 this side, and then I'll cut. First remove the selvage. See, these are the 4 pieces of triangular side. Now the last part, that is the upper one. This one. I need extra cloth this side for the casing. For the casing also. So I need 4 fold cloth of this size. This is less, so we'll use this way. We will have to join the fabric in the middle and the from center front and center back. I'll take some extra cloth so that it should be easy to move your tool. This much cloth I have kept for the casing for inserting the cloth tape. So this is for the front and this is for the back, or we will be using this way, one for one side and another one for another side. This way we will be using. Now we'll start the stitching part. Join the upper part or the upper piece which we have cut in 2 pieces. First we have to join them. Join the this way we have to stitch only till here. Only till here we have to leave this much for inserting the tape, only on one side, and on the other side we have to stitch completely. See, this side we have to leave this much. Now we have to finish it this way. कुछ नहीं. This portion for inserting the cloth tape, this much, around 1 inch. So the upper part is ready. This is stitched for inserting the cloth tape, and this is the area where we will attach the lower portion part, which we have cut in 2 pieces. Now we will attach the triangular piece on both the sides of this part. We will be attaching in this way. This way we will be attaching the side piece. One on this cloth and another one on this cloth. So we'll stitch it straight. See, this way we have joined this triangular piece with the side piece, this way. Now we will place both and we will be stitching this portion. We will be attaching this portion, this to this and this edge to this edge. After attaching this, it will look like this. Now we will do the finishing of lower portion. We can add this, add this to finish the lower portion, that is known as bakram, this way. Or if you don't want to make it hard, then you can use 2 folds of cloth according to your taste. So as I have taken extra cloths on the lower side to make this, for making this finishing on the lower edge. I am inserting this bakram. I'm using the buckram little less because I don't want more flare at the my bottom round is less. This is the first leg, and again I'll be adding this on the second leg this way. From the front side, I will make 2 or 3 stitches, or if you want, you can add few designs according to your taste. Whatever design if you want to add, you can. I'm just using lines at regular interval. See, I've used 2 lines on the upper part and 2 lines on the lower edge, and in the middle I'll be making a zigzag line. The design I have made for the lower portion or lower edge of my salwar. Now the last thing we have to do is to attach this lower portion this lower portion should be attached to the upper part where we will be inserting the cloth tape for wearing. This we are going to attach. So first take this edge, we will attach from this side. See, this is the back portion. On the back we are not going to put any pleats or gathers. We will be adding pleats only on the front side. So this is the back side. See, this joint is at the center back and we will be attaching this portion. See, this is the side. This is the side portion. This is the center back and this is again the side. So we are using this and we are attaching it just plain. We are not using any gathers or any flare or any pleats on the back side. So attach this way. See, from side to see, this is joint at the back side from side to this side. Now we will be attaching this. We have to check this front portion. This front portion we have to attach in this middle portion, that is center front. And this cloth we are going to add this way with the help of pleats. So we are starting from one side, that is, and we will be adding pleats. If you want to add pleats throughout, you can add throughout pleats, or if you want to add pleats only in the front middle portion, then you can only add these pleats in the middle portion. I am using these pleats only in the middle portion. I have attached, or I have marked this place. This is the center front and this is the center front. I have marked this and kept this way, and in this portion I will be attaching it with the number of pleats. This is, you can even add more pleats. See, this joint should be in the middle and they should match each other. On other side also I will be leaving this much of cloth as plain, and then I will add the gathers only in the middle. this way. See, this is the way I'm using. It will look like this. See. Now finally we will have to join the lower portion in the middle. This we have to join. This is the final part of making this salwar. This is the final part. We'll start from this side and we'll end on this side. We'll start from this side and then we'll end on this side. If you want, you can do 2-3 stitching this side. So the ready salwar will look like this. You can even make a cloth tape for inserting here in the casing. This is the plain modern salwar. On back side we haven't used any flares or any pleats. This side should be plain, and in the front we have used pleats, or you can also use gathers if you want.